Waterproof started in 2012 by veterans of the animation and visual effects industry to form their own boutique studio and take on challenges. But right now I think we're around 50 people, and we will be growing naturally. I don't see us getting much bigger than 100, 110 people.
Well, waterproof comes from the fact that it always rains in Vancouver, and we're trying to think of a name for the company. And one of the things that came out is that, well, we'd have to be waterproof to be able to survive in this town, and everyone liked it. Waterproof. We continuously have to push the envelope. The worst thing you can do as a company, especially in this type of the business, is say to yourself, well, we're going to do things this way because that's the way that they've always been done.
We can have 3 projects in the house that are so significantly different from each other that it's just an exciting experience to walk around the floor in the studio. And it's an amazing environment for working together and really bringing the best out of people. One of the main building blocks of waterproof is to go into sort of an area of the business that isn't quite as expansive in Canada. The game side and the game development side of things like that is a really key market for us. Beyond was a fantastic project. It was something that some of us in the studio have been waiting for years. It's a legitimate one-act story. There is a beginning, there is a middle, and an end. It's not a trailer, it's not all cutty and we're moving here, we're moving there, and having to show millions of things. There's a story, and it was a fantastic experience.
When we were initially designing the pipeline, we kind of took a fresh look at everything, and we knew that we were going to be handling all sorts of different projects. So we set things up in such a way that everything is very Lego-based almost. You have different blocks that come together to form the pipeline.
A new project comes in, we distill it down to the most base level, and the base level is pulling everything out of its natural environment and putting it into our environment, which is an Autodesk Maya environment, doing everything we possibly can, and then bringing it back into the format that it needs to be delivered with.
Currently we're using a number of licensing as part of the Autodesk rental program.
The rental model really benefits us because we could be in a situation where we need 15 licenses for a very short amount of time, very quickly. We can have that turned over in a day, and we can be up and running in a day, and we don't have to say to our client, no.
It's giving you a better gut feeling of what to really do with your company and which direction to go.